Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz, a car that redefines luxury, innovation, and performance. This model isn't just another vehicle, it's a technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. From its stunning design to AI-powered driving, this car is built for the future. So, let's dive in and see what makes it so extraordinary. At first glance, you'll notice how sleek and aerodynamic the 2026 Mercedes-Benz is. The brand has completely reimagined its design with flowing curves, a bold front grille, and ultra-modern LED lighting that adapts to your driving conditions. Plus, with lightweight aluminum carbon fiber materials, this model is not just stunning, it's also more efficient than ever. Now let's talk performance. This model offers both hybrid and fully electric powertrains, with the AMG edition delivering an incredible 800 horsepower. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds while maintaining a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. With next-gen battery technology and regenerative braking, efficiency and power go hand in hand. Step inside and you'll be welcomed by luxury at its finest. The MBEX AI assistant is smarter than ever, with gesture and voice controls that make every command effortless. The fully digital panoramic dashboard blends seamlessly with the cabin, while premium leather seating and customizable ambient lighting create an experience tailored just for you. Safety and innovation go hand in hand with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz. The Level 3 autonomous driving system lets the car handle highway driving on its own, giving you a break on long journeys. Plus, with AI-powered collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras, you're always in safe hands. Mercedes-Benz is leading the way in sustainability. The 2026 model features recyclable materials, a zero-emission powertrain, and is fully compatible with next-generation fast-charging stations. It isn't just about driving, it's about driving responsibly. Luxury should be personal, and Mercedes-Benz knows that. You can choose from exclusive paint finishes, premium trims, and high-performance upgrades. And for those who crave extra power, the AMG edition delivers sharper aerodynamics and an even sportier feel. And there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz, a perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and performance. This car isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a statement of the future. But what do you think? Is this the most advanced Mercedes yet? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing car reviews.